Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a world where technology doesn't just support our lives, but transforms them. Where the lines between human creativity and artificial intelligence blur to create something truly extraordinary. Today, we stand on the precipice of such a future. A future where SAP Innovation and Business Artificial Intelligence are not just tools, but partners in progress. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, elevate businesses, and enhance our human experience in ways which were once only dreamed of. Consider the power of AI seamlessly integrated with SAP's robust platforms, turning data into insights, insights into action, and action into success. Picture a healthcare system that predicts patient needs before symptoms even appear, or a supply chain that is so intelligent it anticipates global demands with pinpoint accuracy. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now, and it's driven by the relentless spirit of innovation and the boundless capabilities of artificial intelligence. Today, as we embark on this journey together to bring out our best, let us embrace the possibilities, the challenges, and the incredible potential that SAP Innovation and AI bring to our world. Let's transform tomorrow, starting today. Business AI is now. Welcome to the new era of innovation. Welcome to SAP Innovation Forum 2024.
In the history of human innovation, there have been countless creations that initially sparked fear and uncertainty. Take the automotive, for example. When cars first appeared on the streets, people were terrified. The speed, the noise, the potential danger. Airplanes too faced fear. The idea of flying through the air in a machine seemed like madness. Many were convinced it was too risky. And then seatbelts. A simple strap designed to keep us safe, yet many resisted their use, doubting their necessity. But over time, as we embrace these innovations and saw their benefits, our fears turn into trust and our trust into reliance. These innovations and innovations have become essential parts of our lives, bringing safety, efficiency, and connectivity. Today, there are approximately 1.5 billion automobiles in use worldwide. On average, there are around 9,700 airplanes in the sky at any given minute, simultaneously moving around the world. And seatbelts save approximately 375,000 lives globally each year. Today, we stand at a similar crossroads with artificial intelligence. Like those earlier innovations, AI can seem daunting. Its potential vast and its implications profound. But what if we told you that AI, like seat belts and or airplanes, is here to bring out the best in us? Today, now, your business can achieve new heights of efficiency and creativity. It's not about replacing humans, it's about empowering them to do more, to innovate, and to excel, allowing us to focus on what really matters. It's like having a smart best friend that anticipates our needs and helps us make better decisions. From reducing mundane tasks to providing powerful insight, SAP Business AI is transforming the way we work, just as those early innovations transform our world. Embrace the future, embrace innovation. Bring out your best with SAP Business AI. Welcome to the SAP Innovation Forum 2024.
Let's start with the definition itself. AI, artificial intelligence, is a field of research in computer science that develops and studies methods and software that enable machines to perceive their environment and use learning and intelligence to take actions that maximize their chances of achieving defined goals. Isn't that a little bit difficult to understand? Now, think about you, unlocking your phone, searching the internet, talking to your connected speaker, driving your car, etc., etc. All this is technology utilizing AI. AI is about training a machine that, with loads of data and through some kind of algorithm, can provide an output based on an input. Inputs and outputs can be texts, images, sounds, videos, fingerprints, face scans, and many other formats. Usually, in AI, the output is in the same format as the input. Sometimes it's just even a hint or a yes-no thing. An algorithm for AI is a sequence of instructions, some mathematical calculations providing a statistical result in form of a probability. The higher the probability, the better the result. The algorithms require very powerful machines to treat the enormous amounts of input data used to train it. Will we talk about this? Give me just a second. When we talk about generative artificial intelligence or generative AI or Gen AI, yes, this one is easier. The algorithms go a bit further in the sense that they generate new data based on the prompt provided. A prompt is the ask, the question, provided in natural language, I mean text. The output is the generated data based on this input data and the interpretation of the prompt. It's all about statistics, mathematics, mixing data, but never about creativity, innovation, and other typical human capabilities. It can even provide wrong answers, called hallucination. How can they be wrong? Because they are. Humans know they are wrong. But statistically speaking, yeah, they are correct. They are the highest probability, even if this probability is very low. Gen AI obviously requires even more powerful machines than AI. This is where our partner Intel helps in developing hardware capable of treating the data, of running the algorithms efficiently in a timely manner at a lower energy cost possible. Though this happens in the background, hardware is crucial for a successful usage of AI and Gen AI. SAP and Intel have been collaborating for decades to help companies achieve better business results. Let's hear Intel.
Intel and SAP have a long-standing partnership that aims to help businesses accelerate their digital transformation by leveraging the power of enterprise AI. The partnership focuses on several key areas, including real-time in-memory computing. Our Intel Xeon Scalable processor are used to power SAP HANA, which is the in-memory database platform that enables businesses to gain real-time insight from their data. We also collect, analyze, and process large volumes of data in real time. This enables businesses to make better decisions based on the latest information. We are also working together on machine learning and artificial intelligence to integrate them into SAP's software application. This will enable businesses to automate tasks, make predictions, and gain new insight from their data. Last but not least, security is on top. Intel and SAP are working together to ensure that their solutions are secure. This includes developing security features for SAP's software application and using Intel's hardware-based security technologies. We collaborate also on the open platform for enterprise AI that will simplify and reduce cost of implementing Gen AI solutions, testing SAP workloads on Intel's AI technology. Our partnership is helping businesses of all sizes to unlock the potential of data and drive innovation. Adele, if you want to comment also deeper on the Intel value on AI.
Yes, thanks, Christine. Thank you. So As Christine mentioned, there is different kind of architecture and basically Intel Xeon with the CPU. And so something that is really important nowadays in AI is about the deployment of AI, which is different from developing AI. And then when it comes to the deployment of AI is how we can use those models to create applications and having those models part of solutions like SAP. And so at Intel, we have this combination of hardware and software to make sure that we can reduce the amount of compute that is needed to deploy such model. You know, those models are too large, and we at Intel add different kind of instructions at the hardware level on Xeon that we then expose to the different software layer. And at Intel, we have this OpenVINO software that we use the different infrastructures and instructions, like VNNI, for instance, or AMX. And so then we compress the model, we reduce the size of the model, and then we deploy it. And this is how SAP can incorporate this kind of optimizations and build different solutions on top of optimized model based on Intel hardware / software.
Thanks a lot. Now, let's look at business AI. AI can, of course, be used in the business. We can use, for instance, optical character recognition for automatic CV matching or invoice treatment. We can automate very repetitive tasks to help business users in their decision-making process, ask analytical questions in natural language, in any language, and get a nice bar chart, diagram, for instance, etc., etc. Usages of AI and Gen AI are almost endless in the enterprise. The main problems an enterprise faces are the quality of the data used in the processes, the security around this very sensitive data, the ethics for using this data as it can contain very personal information, and the hallucinations. A wrong generated answer to a question can have catastrophic consequences for the enterprise. Business data has been the core of SAP's DNA for more than 50 years. Therefore, business AI is in the core of SAP technology and solutions. It is crucial to control business data at every step of each data element's life. Haha! And you think AI, Gen AI, business AI are now defined? What about more concrete information for the enterprises? Yes, you're right. We need more. And we get more right now.
Now, let's go to Valeriane, who'll explain how to bring out your best in business AI.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. I'm thrilled to introduce you to SAP Business AI. Our mission is clear: to elevate business processes through tailored AI solutions, following our 3 pillars: being relevant, reliable, responsible. Our partnerships are diverse, ranging from embedding partner technologies, like our collaboration with Microsoft, to empowering customers to build custom machine learning models securely on SAP data. The true power of AI in business emerges when combining with industry-specific data and deep process knowledge, which SAP uniquely delivers. Firstly, we are committed to delivering new premium AI capabilities, most of which leverage generative AI technology. These capabilities are accessible to customers transitioning to the cloud with RISE Premium Plus or opting for standalone AI units. Secondly, all customers benefit from our basic AI included in the cloud application subscription. Additionally, our BTP AI services enable businesses to build custom AI solutions today with their BTP CPA. Then customers can access AI capabilities through solutions offered within our ecosystem on SAP Store. This ensures that businesses of all sizes can leverage AI to drive efficiency and innovation. In summary, SAP Business AI is designed to be relevant to your business needs, reliable in its performance, and responsible in its ethical considerations, ensuring a robust foundation for digital transformation. Firstly, we are dedicated to ongoing innovation with over 600 RISE with SAP roadmap items slated for release in the next 12 months. So this is a big topic at SAP right now. And as you can see here from our CEO in a letter in 2023, over the next 2 years, we are investing nearly 1 billion euros to develop powerful AI use cases for our customers. These investments underscore our dedication to provide and to push the boundaries of AI technology to solve real-world business challenges and drive meaningful outcomes for our customers. We have many use cases and innovations happening at SAP Business AI. Today, due to the busy schedule, we will focus on one scenario that demonstrates the transformative impact of our solutions. The scenario selected is SAP Build Code with code generation. Let me introduce Tanya to you. She is a software developer who wants to be able to efficiently code applications and concentrate on value-added coding parts, so she can quicker deliver on her projects. SAP Build Code accelerates application development by generating context-specific code, data models, and services based on natural language prompts. This approach leads to 30% reduction in application development costs, 30% faster development cycles, and of course, employee satisfaction is improved. SAP quantifies the business benefits by highlighting the key differentiators proposed by the solution and presenting an as-is and a to-be scenario. Our customer references database also allows you to dive deeper into understanding the benefits of this transformation. For a better understanding of the calculation behind the scenario, consider a consumer product company with 10 billion euros in revenue. Its annual IT costs are 100 million euro, with 50% dedicated to application development cost. Within that, 40% of the effort is spent on application development in the SAP footprint, which constitutes 40% of the overall application landscape. Multiplying this, the annual benefits total, it's around 2.4 million euros from reduced application development costs. So, the key message I would like you to remember is that at SAP we are committed to supporting your AI journey with various initiatives designed for short-term and long-term collaborative efforts. Our AI support initiatives include the AI Lab, the Immersive Experience, Hackathon, Kickstart, Exploration, Readiness Check, Implementation, etc. From the lowest to the biggest effort. We prioritize developing AI strategies that align with your business cases, encompass skill development plans, adhere to ethical guidelines, and optimize data strategies. If you have any question, feel free to reach out. Thank you very much for your time and your attention.
Thank you, Valeriane. Now, let's look at the benefits of AI for human resources with Sandrine and Katrin.
AI is playing a transformative role in our HR processes, revolutionizing them from recruitment to feedback delivery. From your point of view, Sandrine, how does AI contribute to the recruitment process, reducing biases and promoting inclusivity?
AI is a game changer in HR, particularly in recruitment. We use AI tools like our job analyzer to carefully review job descriptions and ensure they are unbiased and inclusive. It works by objectively analyzing the language and providing suggestions for improvement. This ensures a wide variety of applicants feel encouraged to apply and increasing diversity.
Thank you. And how does AI assist in providing equal opportunities for all candidates during the interview process?
Using AI, we have developed pre-established interview content, including specific questions leading to uniformity and in the interview process for all candidates. The aim is to ensure fairness, eliminate prejudice, and make the interview experience consistent for all candidates, regardless of their background.
And how does AI aid in providing constructive feedback?
When it comes to providing feedback, our AI tool, the text analyzer, is extremely helpful. It assists us in formulating feedback that is clear, balanced, and sensitive. It proposes alternative phrasings which can help nullify any negative impact tied to cultural or personal sensitivities. This promotes an inclusive atmosphere and ensures that everyone is respected and heard.
Could you tell us more about the HR Copilot Joule and how it contributes to HR processes?
Yes, sure. Indeed. The HR Copilot Joule is revolutionizing our approach to human resources. It helps employees find information swiftly and provides immediate answers to their questions. The aim is to foster a more interactive and dynamic employee experience, proving that technology and human resources can go hand in hand to encourage a more inclusive, bias-free, and efficient workplace.
Thank you for answering these questions, Sandrine. In summary, AI is a game changer. It is helping us eliminate biases and promote inclusivity at each step. It is a powerful tool that provides equal opportunities for all individuals, fostering a culture of respect and diversity. As we continue to expand our use of AI, we are steadfast in our commitment of fairness and inclusivity in the workplace.
AI and Gen AI have reshaped business and created new opportunities. So, let's hear from Ritu and our customers on how SAP Business AI can transform the customer value journey at every touchpoint across various industries.
The latest advancements in AI and Gen AI have opened the possibility to reshape every business. At SAP, we are implementing AI not just to join the AI bandwagon, but to capitalize on our strengths, be it the strengths of deep global industry expertise and rich operational and experiential data from finance, supply chain, workforce, procurement, and CRM. The benefits of these capabilities are vast.
Mealy utilizes AI to help the sales reps to focus on the right topics. We have multiple challenges in the field, many opportunities, different types of customers, different chains behind the customers. AI helps us to determine the right opportunities and set the right focus for the sales rep.
For us, future technologies like AI are quite interesting. We are already using it in optimizing our processes. For instance, the interface between SAP ERP for stock management and the e-commerce platform could already be optimized and is a big help for our colleagues to manage the whole logistic management.
We do aim for data of quality and accessible data because we need to leverage all together products, inventory, CRM and transactional information to bring the right level of service. And one of these services will be to leverage it for specific AI-based services, some that are visible, like recommendations, to guide consumers through their segmentation, through their navigation, through clickstream, and some that are more invisible, more related to demand forecasting or to inventory optimization or allocation optimization. All of this is key for us to bring the right level of relevant service for consumers.
SAP has been integrating AI into platforms that teams use every day. It's our aim to automate the more mundane tasks so that sales teams can focus on more creative interactions and efficient responses to customers, while providing personalized experiences that drive business growth. So, let's watch this demo from Sapphire in Orlando earlier this year and learn how AI can enhance customer experience products.
Now, for sales teams, we know that time is of the essence, and reps need to be focused on the deals that are likely to close and be getting up-to-date information on their accounts so that they can have meaningful engagements. All right, Megan, let's jump into it. We're here in Sales Cloud. This is Terry. He is a sales rep for Brewhive, which is a coffee bean and appliance company. Terry starts his day on the Sales Cloud dashboard, looking at the leads that are coming into his queue. Now, Sales Cloud automatically scores and prioritizes those leads based on propensity to convert. And those AI scores are calculated based on a couple different attributes. One, the lead source, and also external intent data. Dessert Drips looks like a promising lead, so let's go ahead and click into that one. So Terry's going to go into the Lead Booster tab, And this is going to pull in AI-generated content that he can use with dessert drips. Now, this is going to help him save a ton of research time while also giving him customer information that he can use on his initial outreach. But before he does that, he's going to go into the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. He's going to click on Liz's profile, and this is going to give him additional information that's going to help him with his outreach to create a personalized connection with Liz every step of the way. Now, this is all helpful information, and within a couple meetings, Terry is going to be able to close the deal for dessert drips. Now, he is managing multiple, oh, I love it, the interaction, this is great. All right, so he's not managing just one account, it's many different accounts, and he can do that all inside of Sales Cloud. But within a couple clicks, he can see that the AI-generated insights in real time are showing him that one of the items in the order for dessert drips has been delayed. So he can quickly see what that item is and easily reach out to that customer and let them know about that minor delay. All right, Megan, let's shift gears a little bit. Let's talk about how some of those AI features can help get a brand to market faster, especially when they're launching a new product. So in this case, Brew Hive is launching a new coffee roasting machine called the Buds Roaster. With the Gen AI image engine, which is a new feature in the AI toolkit that Ritu mentioned, he's going to be able to put those different product images inside of several different settings, whether that's a cozy ski cabin background or a beach house. With the Gen AI image engine, customer engagement teams can also generate images so that they can use them for A/B testing and personalization. And those can be built directly in and used within SAP Commerce Cloud.
Now, let's take you on a journey, a day in the life of Lewis Hamilton. On this journey, we'll see 9 companies that are embracing transformation by using SAP innovations and AI solutions. And we'll uncover some interesting data. For example, did you know that the 10 largest coffee brands in the world are working with SAP? And that Tommy Hilfiger uses SAP S/4HANA for their retail? Did you know that IWC Schaffhausen watches also use the SAP system? And that the TeamViewer platform is integrated with SAP? Did you know that 9 out of 10 hotel groups in the world use SAP? That Mercedes-Benz, which has sold 2.5 million cars in 2023 alone, are using SAP S/4HANA? That the Petronas company, which produces E10 fuel to help reduce CO2 emissions by using renewable ethanol, uses SAP? That the Einhell company runs on SAP S/4HANA Cloud for top performance W15 on the racetrack? And that Pirelli Tyres CM processes run on SAP SuccessFactors? That's right. These 9 brands are used in Lewis Hamilton's day, and they're all managed by just one company, SAP. Let's roll the video. You can see for yourself.
So you want to follow a day in my life, but focus on SAP? Yeah, sure. Let's go. Alarm goes off. Break step. Monaco. Glass of water. Quick coffee. Espresso, of course. A couple of stretches to loosen up. Quick shower. Time to get dressed. Just in time to talk to Bono. Hey Bono.
Hey Lewis, new race strategies in your inbox.
Check inbox, message Toto. Time to head to the track. But first, music on. Always.
This is the whole game when I say so. I pull up, shut it down, yeah, they know. Running this game ain't a game for me. I never switched up, no time.
Take the corridor, take the elevator, drive to the track.
This is the whole game when I say so. I pull up, shut it down, yeah, they know. Running this game ain't a game for me.
Focused. Calm. Put on my race suit. Arrive at the garage. Say hi to my team. It's almost time. Fuel. Check. Tires. Check. Ready to race. So that's a day in my life. Not sure where you saw any SAP and all that.
Great video talking about these companies going through transformation with SAP. This obviously requires education. Eric, can you explain what and how it is done at SAP Labs Paris?
SAP Labs Paris is at the heart of the AI revolution. We have teams contributing to SAP BTP with SAP Foundation Model, for example. We have teams contributing to Joule as part of SAP Generative AI Hub. And we have development teams embedding generative AI technologies on Joule into SAP solutions like SAP Concur, SAP SuccessFactors, SAP Build Process Automation, SAP Green Ledger, and even SAP Analytics Cloud. And furthermore, on top of this, SAP Labs Paris is working hand in hand with the market unit to evangelize SAP Business AI and its use cases to our customers and our partners.
As Eric pointed out, the core of our education program is learning on the job task. We strongly believe in learning by doing. That's why our engineers work with AI every day in their regular task. They're not just reading about AI, they are using it, testing it, and seeing what it can do in real projects. But hands-on experience is just the beginning. We need to learn from each other too. We created a vibrant ecosystem of knowledge sharing and collaboration. Our mentoring and coaching program pair AI experts with those eager to learn, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. We also establish robust communities of practice focused on data science and AI, where ideas and best practices are freely exchanged. But we don't stop there. We are bringing the AI world to our doorstep through exciting local events. Take, for example, our recent SAP Gen AI event, where we team up with a strategic partner to showcase the latest trends in Gen AI. Another great example is the SAP World Games Hackathon. Our teams took part in this event where they got to use their Gen AI skills in a real-world competition. This challenge pushed our engineers to apply their AI knowledge in a fast-paced, practical settings. At the labs, we initiated a new series of Gen AI knowledge sessions. These go beyond our product expertise, exploring the challenges and ethical consideration of AI implementations. This holistic approach ensures our team is not just technically proficient, but also mindful of AI's broader implications. On a global scale, each business unit hosts its own Gen AI Global Enablement Days. These events have custom-made agendas that fit different AI interests and experience levels. For this summer, our SAP AI organization and the Global Academy are hosting a Gen AI hackathon, providing a platform for our engineers to apply their AI knowledge in a collaborative environment. Last but not least, the formal learning. Our Global Academy designed AI learning journeys specifically for beginners, intermediate, and advanced profiles, ensuring everyone can progress at their own pace. But we take a step further. Each of our colleagues will receive a personalized learning plan based on their AI skills level, helping them to upskill effectively and efficiently. In conclusion, our Gen AI education program at SAP is comprehensive, practical, and personalized. This approach ensures that our team remains at the cutting edge of AI technology. Thank you.
And now, we revisit this year's Sapphire event from Orlando, showing you how PureTech Scientific and Tropicana brands are running their AI transformation with SAP. PureTech Scientific have been producing glycolic acid for over 85 years. Made from natural ingredients like pineapple, coffee beans and sugarcane, it is used in personal care products and considered the gold standard of exfoliation. When you think about AI, how is PureTech thinking about that in the context of SAP and for your business?
Well, for us, we also invested in DMC, Digital Manufacturing Cloud, as well as Sales Cloud. And so those should be implemented by the end of this month, actually. And after that, then AI, the Joule application that's already embedded in, which is something that's it's almost like a nice to have, but it's an awesome opportunity for us. We're planning to use that around our sales and business development, moving more direct to consumer, as well as we'll also have much more visibility overlaying DMC and Sales Cloud, mining that data for supply chain management as well as process efficiency.
So would it be fair to say that you're relying on the core capabilities of SAP as a platform to enable you to take advantage of AI and what the future brings?
Absolutely, and we're leveraging you as the software development and services, and we're making ourselves focused on our business and innovation.
And now, let's take a look at the world of oranges and juice. The Tropicana Brands Group squeezes out 150 million gallons of juice and 500 million bottles of beverages annually in sustainable, recyclable packaging. Regarding the role of AI and the RISE platform you put in place with SAP, what does the future hold for Tropicana?
Yeah, I mean, I guess ironically, from the standpoint of being a technologist, I kind of will start off with the basis of AI in my mind in terms of how I lead it is human-centered first and foremost, ensuring that we've got the right culture, responsible use, and effective use. Those are two separate things. There's a teaching element of how to extract the right value out of AI and equipping our employees to do that. So I really see my role as kind of a navigator-in-chief to some degree around AI, because it is pervasive, it's everywhere. Whether it's things that I've designed and built as an organization or things that are just native features and devices that we carry with us or will be in applications like SAP. So in terms of the clear innovation that's going to be real in front of us, and I'm not going to pretend to know where this will be in 5 years, but the gift of time is clearly the value creator that I see with AI, being able to work more efficiently and even being able to take that time and translate that to what matters to you, ultimately. That's the value that I see. At the center of Tropicana's AI strategy is SAP. We're going to have a Rubik's Cube, like most organizations, of where we build and then where we have partner-led models, and our platform, our core is SAP, and just seeing the innovations that SAP is bringing to the table, being able to have those things be in the native products and where we can build with SAP, that's going to be an absolute differentiator for us.
We have heard a lot of great stories and use cases for business AI, after having started with the definitions of Gen AI, AI, and of course business AI earlier today. The remaining topic is how SAP can really help. Well, SAP has the business technology platform with the 5 pillars, which are data and analytics, application development, automation, integration, and artificial intelligence. Business Technology Platform currently offers around 95 services. For artificial intelligence, the main one is SAP AI Core. It is designed to handle the execution and operations of your AI assets in a standardized, scalable, and hyperscaler agnostic way. It provides seamless integration with your SAP solutions. Any AI function can be easily realized using open source frameworks. SAP AI Core supports full lifecycle management of AI scenarios. Generative AI capabilities and prompt lifecycle management occur through the Generative AI Hub. This means you can execute pipelines as a batch job, for example, to pre-process or train your models or perform batch inference. Deploy a trained machine learning model as a web service to serve inference requests of trained models with high performance. Manage your machine learning artifacts and workflows, such as model training, metrics tracking, data, models, and model deployments via a uniform API lifecycle. Benefit from multi-tenancy support in tenant-aware applications, for instance, to segregate your AI assets and executions. Integrate your cloud infrastructure to productize your AI content and expose it as a service to consumers in the SAP BTP marketplace. Choose from a selection of generative AI models for prompt experimentation and prompt lifecycle management with our Generative AI Hub. So much for the technicalities. In fact, we need to remember that Gen AI cannot solve everything. The use cases determine the choice of technology to be used, not the other way around. Having said that, it is obvious that SAP and partners can help you with your business AI topics. SAP provides the business technology platform and business expertise. SAP Business Technology Platform is open, can connect, can integrate, can manage large volumes of data alone and with the help of third-party solutions and technologies. It is a technology platform made for businesses. SAP's business expertise has been proven for more than 50 years, no doubt about that. Partners can provide additional business expertise and/or additional technologies, for instance Intel, at the lowest level, meaning in the processor itself. In addition to the SAP AI Core Service, BTP also proposes other AI-based and machine learning-based business services, such as business entity recognition, to detect and highlight entities in unstructured text, data attribute recommendation, to predict and classify data records, document information extraction, personalized recommendation, to get recommendations based on your browser's history and/or description, SAP AI Launchpad, to manage AI transparently across your enterprise, SAP Translation Hub, to translate UI text and documents and get UI text suggestions during development. To conclude, yes, SAP can help you with your business AI topics, and with the help of partners, together we can reach new summits. Your winning formula is business AI equals BTP plus ecosystem.
The integration of AI is not a nice to have. It will be an essential part of our future.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Our continued partnership with SAP allowed us to develop the type of business AI applications that led to us winning another championship.
Team Liquid has just talked about the importance of artificial intelligence in our business. Now, let me show you a quick example of what is possible with SAP AI solution. When I joined SAP, I had a given challenge. The challenge was to be able to answer to any end-user business question in 1 second with a friendly user interface. All this based on a trust documentation. And of course, only with SAP solution in a very short time. I was lucky. Everything I need was already in the SAP Business Technology Platform. Let's go and see what I have done. To begin with, it looks like a classic chat application, but there is one particularity that makes all the difference. Let's create a discussion thread to see this difference. To generate the answers, we use SAP AI Core. By leveraging SAP AI Core, you have the flexibility to choose which models you want to use. All of these models are either hosted directly on SAP Business Technology Platform or by our partner, ensuring seamless integration and reliable performance. Okay, so now first question. I want to improve my supply chain management. What do you propose? Yes, I want to focus on delivery processes. Which AI solution do you have? Based on a private set of public documents concerning SAP AI solutions, our prototype uses a retrieval augmented generation feature that will automatically add context to your question. This added context will improve the quality of this model answers. Yes, I want to see it with my own eyes. To automatically add the context, we use the powerful vector engine of AnaCloud.
The system retrieves the most relevant documents based on the question raised. Okay, thank you for your answer. Let's schedule a demo. For me, it works at tomorrow 10 a.m. The combination of SAP AI Core and SAP HANA with its vector engine gives us a system capable of answering with great precision. In summary, our prototype simplifies access to information about SAP's AI solutions by directly answering the user's question. For sure, you will face similar challenge in your business, and I'm convinced that you will succeed with the existing tools we have in SAP Business AI. You can implement this type of system in your company for other use cases, where you need real ones, reliable, and responsive answers. For example, regarding legal or technical questions. Let's now move to the Q&A session with Olivier.
Just before we finish off this event, I would like to take the opportunity to go to 3 questions that we received via email throughout the event and comment them as part of a short Q&A, if you don't mind. So we received many questions. I said I took 3 just because I think they are very, very important and relevant for all of you. The first one is, what is Joule? And if you could give an example for a business impact. So Joule is the co-pilot of SAP. Joule is the new front end of SAP. Joule is the co-pilot, meaning that you ask questions in natural language and Joule provides you answers. These answers, they can come from several systems, from several applications, depending on the question and the flow of the question in the chat. So that will ease the work for the end user by allow the end user to get answers from several systems without having to jump from one system to the other. So Joule is the new front end of SAP. Not all applications are currently utilizing Joule. It's a long process to adapt Joule for all of those, but yes, Joule is the new front end, if you wish. Another question I have noted here is, which LLMs does SAP use? Very interesting question, thank you for asking it. So LLM is a large language model, and this is the basic for any Gen AI system. So we use basically any LLM that is available, because being agnostic means we use the best LLM for each use case we address. LLMs are from vendors like OpenAI, ChatGPT, you probably know, Google, Gemini, Amazon, Meta have one, Microsoft has one, of course, with Copilot. By the way, we collaborate with Copilot with Microsoft, so both Copilot Microsoft and Joule SAP can talk to each other. So I think that's very important as well. You are in Microsoft Teams, you ask a question in the flow of a conversation. If the answers need to come from an SAP system, that is completely transparent. And the other around, if a question that you have asked within Joule is looking for an answer somewhere in an SAP, in a Microsoft environment, it will find it. So that is very important. And again, this is why these copilots are going to become the new interfaces, the new front end for the end users. Coming back to the LLMs, we use as well Mistral, a French LLM with which we created a collaboration some weeks back, or we announced a collaboration some weeks back. And yes, we're agnostic, so important is the use case. that we want to cover, and we will pick the best LLM. Now, you can create your own LLM if you want to. You can create SLMs, so small language models that run more on local servers rather than somewhere in the cloud. So all this is available. And what is important is we use RAG a lot because we don't want the company data to go into those LLMs for treatment, but we really are concerned about the confidentiality of your data, of your enterprise data that reside in an SAP system. Hope I answered the question. And finally, I will take the last question I received and decided to answer right now, right away. It's very interesting as well, so thank you again for this one. I am a partner, what's in for me? So being a partner is pretty wide, right? So if you are a reseller partner, utilize Joule or AI from SAP Business AI as a way to discuss with your customer about automation, about helping the users do repetitive tasks in an easier way, because AI is all about that, to get answers from multiple systems. So the applications from SAP are built to help on that. If you are writing your own applications or extensions, utilize BTP to do so. As already mentioned, you will be able to benefit from Joule in BTP, so to help you program, to help you get to the application writing, and utilize BTP as well via the SAP Store, for instance, to monetize your application. By the way, if you go to SAP Store, you can already find lots of applications, extensions that are ready to be sold, and you can utilize the same model. So BTP is designed for that. And if you are a technology partner, yes, we probably can help as well. If your technology can somehow integrate in the flow, in the technology that we use to solve specific business cases. So I think for partners, there is a lot within Business AI of SAP, AI with BTP. So yes, I think that's the message of the day. Now, please continue to send your questions. We have a little button, Ask SAP, in this front end. This will generate an email. We will receive the email just like we received a couple earlier, and we will answer via email, no problem, in the coming days. So feel free, do this, and thank you so much for having been with us today.
Embrace the future, embrace innovation. Regard your best with SAP Business AI.
AI, artificial intelligence, is a field of research in computer science that develops and studies methods and software that enable machines to perceive their environment and use learning and intelligence to take actions that maximize their chances of achieving defined goals.
Intel and SAP have a long-standing partnership that aims to help businesses accelerate their digital transformation by leveraging the power of enterprise AI.
Business AI is in the core of SAP technology and solutions. It is crucial to control business data at every step of each data element's life.
At SAP, we are committed to supporting your AI journey with various initiatives designed for short-term and long-term collaborative efforts.
As we continue to expand our use of AI, we are steadfast in our commitment of fairness and inclusivity in the workplace.
AI helps us to determine the right opportunities and set the right focus for the sales rep.
For us, future technologies like AI are quite interesting. We are already using it in optimizing our processes.
We do aim for data of quality and accessible data because we need to leverage all together product, inventory, CRM, and transactional information to bring the right level of service.
AI features can help get a brand to market faster, especially when they're launching a new product.
Ready to race.
Our GenAI AI education program at SAP is comprehensive, practical, and personalized. This approach ensures that our team remains at the cutting edge of AI technology.
AI, the dual application that's already embedded in, which is something that's it's almost like a nice to have, but it's an awesome opportunity for us. We're planning to use that around our sales and business development, moving more direct to consumer, as well as we'll also have much more visibility, overlaying DMC and Sales Cloud, mining that data for supply chain management as well as process efficiency.
At the center of Tropicana's AI strategy is SAP. We're going to have a Rubik's Cube, like most organizations, of where we build and then where we have partner-led models. And our platform, our core is SAP, and just seeing the innovations that SAP's bringing to the table, being able to have those things be in the native products and where we can build with SAP, that's going to be an absolute differentiator for us.
SAP can help you with your business AI topics.
Our continued partnership with SAP allowed us to develop the type of business AI applications that led to us winning another championship.
For sure, you will face similar challenge in your business, and I'm convinced that you will succeed with the existing tools we have in SAP Business AI. You can implement this type of system in your company for other use cases, where you need real ones, reliable and responsive answers.
Thank you for joining us at the SAP Innovation Forum 2024. You are one of over 500 people registered today. If you have any questions, Olivier has asked that you please click on this button. We'll answer you as soon as possible. And a big thanks to our sponsors, Intel. If you have any questions for Intel, just click on this button. Your opinion matters, so do give us your feedback by clicking on the button below or by scanning this QR code. Now, it's time to plant a tree. A tree? Yes, a tree. By clicking on this button, you'll immerse yourself in the SAP Immersive Journey, and for every person visiting the platform, SAP will plant a tree. So, let's create a forest together. Come closer. You don't want to miss this. I've got something special that'll interest you. I want to take you on a journey.
Hello and welcome to the SAP Immersive Journey.
Follow me. Data in business is now more important than ever. So, we've designed an exciting, creative, 360-degree platform, the SAP Immersive Journey. It gives you easy access to the latest technical and artificial intelligence solutions. Reduce costs, centralize your data, and accelerate your business. Unleash your business potential. Gain competitive advantage. Future-proof your company. SAP Immersive Journey is packed with thousands of videos, customer success stories, demos, forums, and keynotes. You can even ask questions. This easy-to-use platform is constantly updated, giving you direct access to experts, partners, and peers. Gain invaluable insights and turn your data into real business value. And it's free to access. You can check in as often as you like. The SAP Immersive Journey. We're here for you, always.